We have experienced a significant move from here up to this very level of 27.2k at this very price level, and Bitcoin is still going to approach a little bit upward, but I'm going to show you two important levels that you need to watch in this very week of trading. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market have moved significantly upward. I told you that the market is still going to move up. If you watch this video right here, you can find that out yourself. And on the ETH chart, the same thing, market dropped down into the level I expect the level to drop into and begin to move to the upside. ADA is not an exception. Market played out exactly, and also on Matic. All of these in this very video to find it out yourself. So I am going to be talking about all this in today's analysis. Watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. On the 1-day chart, BTC USDT, if you look at the market move all the way from here upward, and I told you one thing very important on this chart is this very level of support. So this very area of support is very important, because right at this very area of support is where we see the market move from drastically upward in the past. And in technical analysis, when you see this kind of movement, is a very important level, because it means that if price come into same level, market have high chance of moving to the upside. And that is exact same thing we are seeing right now on the chart. And these are the two levels you need to pay attention to as we approach the next Fed interest rate decision this week, that is on Wednesday. And right here on the chart is a very important level of resistance, which I want you to pay attention to, because if the market did not break this level of resistance, then that means this is not an impulsive move. So for now, this is a retracement of this move to the downside. So I am expecting that this market move a little bit into this very area and then begin to come back down. We must have to see a breakout of this very level of support. I have been talking about this level of support because it's very important. Anything that makes the market to break below this level of support with a significant bearish candle is going to make the market to go back down into $21,000 and $20,000. This is what I am expecting. This is my directional bias right now in the market. And as we approach this very level of resistance, I am also expecting the market to stay within this level for some period of time and come back down. And a breakout here, of course, is going to send the market to the upside. So a breakout here will send the market back up. So the market is going to continue its movement to the upside. And obviously, if this very level of resistance breaks, then it is going to be an impulsive move right here, then retracement, and the market is going to continue upward again. So right now, pay attention to this level of resistance and this area of support while we wait for the Fed to release the data on interest rate on Wednesday, because this too is going to impact on the market. I also talk about the MACD, and that the market have chance of moving to the upside because the MACD is already forming on the positive side of the MACD. Nevertheless, there was no momentum, but right now we are beginning to see a little bit of increased momentum on the MACD histogram, which also means that the market have capacity of moving to the upside into this very level of resistance. Like I said, very importantly, a breakout of this level of resistance is going to bring the market to approach this very level of resistance, which is a very important supply level, this very area on the chart. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, these two levels on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, I told you something very important, that you should pay attention to this very area of support in the market right here and this very zone of support, and that this market is going to come down a little bit into this area and then move to the upside. The main idea is that market is still going to move to the upside. If you watch this video, you can confirm that on the channel. And what happened is that market go down a little bit and then begin to consolidate. Breakout of consolidation, market is moving to the upside. as predicted. I was not expecting this market to drop down to this level of support. No, the analysis was that market will come down a little bit into this area and then continue its movement upward, because we are seeing higher highs right at this very point. So market create a new high, create another new high here, and we are seeing higher lows at these 2 points as well. So market should continue upward. So the very most important thing you need to watch right now on the 4-hour chart is this very level of resistance. So this very area of resistance where the market is right now is a nice point where the market is going to retrace. What it also means is that if you did not take a buy around this area for the market to move up, this is not the right time to place a buy position, because market will definitely retrace before continuation to the upside. So what you need to pay attention to right now is this very area where the market is right now, and this very zone of resistance. So this very area of resistance is where I am expecting this market to retrace to. So a little bit of movement upward is required for this very market. I am expecting the market to move a little bit into this very zone. Then from this very area of resistance, that is this very point right here, the market will begin to come back to the downside. So this very zone is where you should expect the market to retrace back to the downside before continuation again. Before we can think about the market coming back down, we must see a significant fail swing in the market that will tell us that the market is going to move. I am going to also update you on this very channel. So right now, expect the market to move a little bit into this very zone, then retrace back, and then continuation upward. And on the ETH chart, the same thing. Markets have created a new high a little bit at this very point. Market is still going to move up a little bit on ETH and then retracement. Don't expect any severe move on ETH to the upside. So from where the market is right now in this very area of 1682, expect the market to retrace within this zone to the downside and begin to move up again on ETH. This is what I am expecting. So from where the market is right now, as at the recording of this video, in this very price level of $1,682, market is going to retrace back down and then continuation to the upside, approaching this very area of resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the chart. And on ADA, look at it, market come back down to the level I was expecting the market to come back down into, and right now market is moving to the upside. Like I said earlier, this very zone of resistance is very important on ADA, and market must have to break this very level before you can think of buying the market on ADA. It is okay for you to look for buy position on ETH and BTC, but for ADA, wait for this very level of resistance to break, because it's a critical and important resistance. Once I see a breakout on this very level of resistance, I will also update you guys on what to do next. So a breakout here is what I am expecting to happen, and market is going to move into this area a little bit and then come back down. Okay, if the market did not break out, expect the market to begin to move to the downside for retracement of this little move to the upside. This is what you need to watch on ADA. And on Matic, Matic moved down as expected and right now is moving to the upside. I am expecting this chart to continue its movement into this level of important resistance as well. So market should continue its movement upward into this very area of resistance. So this very zone is where I am expecting the market to pause. So market should continue movement into this zone of important resistance. So market move into this very level of resistance, and before we see the market come back down and the continuation again. And I am also going to update you on this very channel. Here where the market is not the right point to buy or sell the market. Allow the market to move into this area, come back down. A nice point to buy is when the market retraces at the end of retracement for the market to move up again. So you buy at the end of retracement, which is also the beginning of impulse in the market. So this is what you need to pay attention to on Matic, ADA, ETH and BTC for our chart. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for more educational video. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.